The article and inseparable prepositions. This module looks at what happens when you add both an article, the definite article, and the inseparable prepositions to a word. So let's first write up our article here. Remember, the article has three parts: the he, the patach, and a doubling of the next consonant, the dagesh forte. And our inseparable prepositions are, if you remember, b, k, and l. Now, why do these two have a dot and this one doesn't? Do you remember? These are both begad kafat letters. So this is a dagesh lene. This is the weak dagesh. Unlike this, this is the strong dagesh. And this is not a begad kafat letter, so it doesn't have a dagesh in it. So, what happens when you add these two, this plus one of these, to a word? Well, let's look at a word. Let's look at the word sefer. Sefer. And I want to copy this a number of times to illustrate this. So let's move this over about here and down. And let's do one more over here. Okay. And let's also change our color. Go with green. Okay, here we have a word sefer, meaning book, without the article or the inseparable prepositions. There's nothing on it. Indefinite, a book or book. Let's add the article first of all. So if we add ha here, the article would be part 1, part 2, and we double. Okay? So there's ha sefer. Now if we were, and I'm going to change my color one more time. Red means illegal. This is not what it's going to look like, but let's put b on here. You would think it would look something like this. B ha sefer. But in fact, that's not what happens. What happens instead is that the he drops and the b takes its place. So the he is replaced with b, l, or k, and whatever vowel is under the article stays there. Now right now it's a patach. We'll see later in later modules that this can change to various things. But whatever it is there, whether it's patach or anything else, it'll stay there and the b will just take its place. So all we do is we write whatever this is here. It still keeps its dagesh lene, and the article stays, or rather the vowel stays, and the dagesh forte stays. So if you want to know what the inseparable preposition plus the article looks like, just replace he with one of these, and you'll have it. Sefer, ha sefer, and ba sefer. Ha sefer, ba sefer. Now without it, just to be complete here, without the article, it would look like this. B sefer. No dagesh forte, and you'd have the shava. So in terms of pronunciation, ha sefer, ba sefer, ka sefer, la sefer. That's what's going on. Pretty straightforward, really.